Hey everyone, and welcome to my Crypterium Choice Crypto Card Review. All the links you need are down below. In this video, we'll explore this card's key features, my personal experience using it, and who it's perfect for. The Crypterium Choice Card is a prepaid card built for crypto users wanting to easily spend their crypto anywhere. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT. This allows you to seamlessly hold and spend your crypto, offering flexibility for everyday purchases, both online and in-store. A standout feature is its integration with the Crypterium app. Topping up with crypto or fiat is simple. Instantly convert your crypto to fiat and load it onto the card for use anywhere Visa is accepted. This bypasses the need for exchange conversions and offers a practical way to use your crypto in real life. Enjoy zero maintenance fees, no annual charges, and competitive exchange rates, perfect for international travel. You also get cashback rewards and global ATM access, making it versatile for everyday use and travel. If you're a crypto user seeking a simple, low-cost way to spend your digital assets, the Crypterium Choice Card combines ease of use, low fees, and great rewards. Whether you're a crypto pro or just starting out, this card offers a practical and efficient way to manage and spend your crypto. Learn more in the description below.